Hello guys, today I'm going to be playing a game called Golden, the last video I've done, and also I give a huge shout out to my desk mate called Alina. Today was her birthday and she gave me some lip glosses. I'll show them in my next video. I'm sorry guys for not posting yesterday. I was at school for 4:15 and then I had to do some homework and yeah. So huge shout out to Alina, my desk mate. And if you guys want to know what I got her, I gave her this this chain where you put on your leg and it looks nice. I gave her this square blush with one is light and one is dark. And it's half. I gave her some stamps. I gave her some pencil with a design on it. Gave her a keychain that looks very nice. And I also got her some chocolate. And I just gave her today. And she gave me and she said if I helped her if I helped her any day, then she would give me some lip glosses. So for her birthday, and since Tuesday, I've been helping her for 2 days straight. So she gave me these lip glosses, these lip balms. If you want to see them, make sure to check out my other video that I'm gonna make in a few hours. So make sure to check about that. So anyways, we're gonna be playing this game called Ragnar Engine, and it looks very nice. And they just had a new update, so let's see it. Let's go. So we're just quickly loading in. So this is the they have some new songs. We're just gonna go to a place, empty place, so we can do some we're just gonna the sky is following me. I wonder why. What does he want? I'm gonna chat to him. Bro, this guy is so weird. I wanna listen. So we're just gonna do it behind here. Yeah. You can't find me, so I'm gonna go all the way over there. Okay. So let's see what dances they have. I think those are some people. We're just gonna do some dances. What is this? What the hell? So now I'm just gonna do some dances because I think this is good. So let's get right into it. So first we have this 6, 7, 12. Okay, there's this new song called Ay Mi Gatito. I kinda like it. Okay, let's try this Micho Man. So we're gonna do 2 on. I never seen that one. I like it. Next one, do acelerada. Next, we're gonna do aura farming. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do finally 8. Actually, we're gonna do flower. Wait, I just want to see what those people are doing, because I'm very interested. I think they're dancing. Wait, I'm gonna ask them if they are making a YouTube video. Wait, I'm gonna say hi first. I'm making a video. Hi. Did they just leave? That's weird. Okay, guys, we're just going around dancing. I want to do maps. Oh, what's mystical, magical? Oh, I kind of like that. It was 9. We're gonna do 2. But I want to see if they have this. It doesn't look like they have it. I think which one? I think we're gonna do 3 more that we can get. What's this? Oh no, it costs a book. We're gonna do sunshine. No, I wanna do tango though. This is like old fashioned. That was very nice. I'm gonna do love for you. I wanna do just like a. I wanna do fun for the picture. I wanna do this. It's perfect. It's perfect. Pretty, the popular. Just wanna be your sweetheart in your heart. It's perfect. It's perfect. Okay. I think that is it for today. Wait, I think I'm gonna show you something, guys, what I did on the last video. We're just gonna do this. Okay. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Bye. Love y'all. Bye.